is memory. So next one is PINFET. So next device is PINFET. So PINFET is an electronic device formed by the combination of PIN, photodiode, and field effect transistor. So when I'm going to combine PIN, photodiode, and field effect transistor, I'm going to combine them as a single package. Then I'm going to call it as a PINFET. So device is mainly used as a low noise, high speed receiver in optical communication and data processing systems. So the photo receiver fabricated by the PINFET has a wide range and dynamic sensitivity. So PINFET means it is a combination of PIN and FET. What is PIN? PIN means it is going to be a photodiode. You know what is a photodiode? Can anybody say what is the photodiode? Have you come across the term photodiode? What is the photodiode? What is the photodiode? What is a normal diode? What is a normal PN junction diode? What it will do? If you apply voltage, what will you get? In the normal PN junction diode. If you apply forward bias, what will happen to a PN junction diode? What will happen? After 0.7 volts, what will happen if you do forward bias to a PN junction diode? Nobody is there?
Current will flow, sir.
Very good. What is the input to PN junction diode in this case?
Voltage.
Voltage. What is the photodiode? Can you relate? What is the photodiode? No? Photon and meaning.
Without giving an input as a voltage, it can produce current.
How it is producing current?
With the help of photons, light.
Photon another. Which will have photons?
Light.
Very good. So photodiode will work on light. When light is incident on a photodiode, it produces current which is proportional to the how much number of photons are incident. So when light is getting involved in photodiode, this PINFET is mostly used in optical communication systems. See, normal diode, when you give voltage, it is going to produce current. But in photodiode, I am going to give for light as the input, and it is going to produce equivalent current proportional to the amount of light incident on the device. Immediately after your photodiode, you will be having a FET that is going to provide the amplification. So PINFET is the combination of photodiode and FET. And the photodiode is made up of PIN. PIN na 3 layer irukku, PIN. You know what is the notation for P and N? P is going to be having the donor acceptor atoms. N is going to be donor atoms. I is called as intrinsic region. Intrinsic region, that will be heavily doped region. So the PIN photodiode la 3 layer irukku, P, I, and N. Okay. I think we'll be studying about photodiode now. So without knowing the functioning of photodiode, I cannot understand this PINFET. So first we will see what is the PIN photodiode, and then we'll see how it is going to work in combination. So